This is probably the biggest house I've ever been to in my entire life.
Respectfully.
Wait till you see what we're doing inside.
Say I'm the biggest, the largest.
But before we get to all that, make sure go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you drop a comment.
On this indoor pool project. Coming along nice. Ooh. Check on the back.
Do it. Do it. Honey, I'm home.
Massive house out here, and indoor pool, nice little skylight, and we got over here Ryan has a hot tub, indoor pool with indoor hot tub, sauna and steam going back in here, all this beautiful natural stonework. Place absolutely insane. Can't wait to get back here, see this one's all finished. Who knows, maybe I'll even take a dip. Yeah! Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.